Skip Lynn, they call me the Hillbilly, West Palm Beach, Florida.
How about a hillbilly? How about a hillbilly around Florida? Ghost Bullet. Ghost Bullet in Georgia, looking your way. Hello.
Well, good morning, Georgia. You're sounding good along the beaches here in West Palm for sure. You have a great day. Stay safe. Appreciate the phone now. Old Hillbilly back out.
1040 Hillbilly. Sounded something wonderful in Georgia. Sounded real good in Georgia there, Mr. Hillbilly. No doubt about it. Anyway, good morning time to you. God bless you and the family. Have you some great problems today, no doubt about it. Mr. Hillbilly on Ghost Bullet. Ghost Bullet, Georgia, saying I catch you later on now. Quick later.
Hey, Ghost Bullet 24, so get your mind off of Hillbilly. Ghost Bullet 24, so get your mind off of Hillbilly. I did hear it around Georgia, ain't no doubt about it.
Yeah, probably 24. But 24, when you do it like that, I have to. Good morning time to you, 24. Good morning time to you, 24. Ghost Bullet. Ghost Bullet, Georgia, trying to get it back. Hello.
Yeah, right on, Ghost Bullet. Just want to wave my hand, man. You sounded good down here in Palm Beach County, no doubt about it.
On that 24, when you're making a fine trip. Making a fine trip down in Georgia, no doubt about it, my friend. Making a real fine trip at 24. Anyways, keep on what you're doing, but you're doing it right. Take care, Mr. 24, Ghost Bullet. Ghost Bullet, Georgia said it was clear and gone. Bye-bye.
Beach man, another day. Like I said, man, you sounding good in West Palm along these beaches. Old Hillbilly back out.
I hear you on the smoke out. I hear you on the smoke out. You know that about it. I hear you smoking like a chimney, and I see you.
Hey, 396, Georgia, you're sounding some kind of good along these beaches in West Palm. Hey, you have a great day. Stay safe. Bum bum.
Hey, that ain't working too, man. That ain't working too. That ain't working. Oh, 30 in the pie. Trying to sneak on in. I see you. Bye. Call me the grouper. We got a copy on you now. It's the old rattlesnake down in St. Petersburg, Florida. Come on now, DX-Land. Well, you're sounding pretty good down there in St. Petersburg, Florida, too. No, you're moving.
656, man, you sound like you're out there in my driveway. What do you want you called it?
Yeah, I'm lazy on the key here. That should clean it up.
Oh, yeah, you're cleaned up, man.
I gotta put the hurricane windows back in.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm home right now, brother. It's on 6. Skip took you out there. I'm home now if you can hear me.
Oh, 24 years in this mobile. 24 mobile on the sand pile reading his mail.
How about that beach man? Hey, beach man, you still in there, beach man? know, son. You have to know. Right. Yes, sir. I said 24 is the deal right there. Good morning right there. 28. They call me 24 working this little 2PL John Stud driver on that end. Big John Stud, 2PL driver, 24 gone. Yes, sir. Good morning to you, 24 right back. Radio just ain't putting out over here. I sure appreciate it. You're doing the same on that end, come here. Taking my radio right on out. Hey, 429, thank you, sir. Have a good day and a good weekend coming up. I'll see you.
932.
Real good copy, 429 in Tennessee. Your little brother 24 in the Mobile. I'll see you about. Have a good day.
Anchorage, Alaska is calling the Patriots.
Rabbit Radio, let's go.
Well, catch you later. I just wanted to know I heard you.
Oh, 32 zero ton. Boy, down here kind of got my radar kind of jelly up from jelly down. That's what's going on in my neck of the woods. 32 zero. I hear you racing beam, man. It's rough out here, man. I hear you racing beam. I'll be the real deal. Top of 2-3, 32 zero, and racing beam, 20, 31. Play up on the shampoo, that time.